Okay, at first you need to come over this GitHub repo MonkeyCode, and if you notice, you can see this is a open source AI platform where you can enterprise your network, and this environment is absolutely free of charge. You can use it. No client download or local environment setup you need. You can use from your browser. So you can sign up with your GitHub or any Gmail account, and as soon as you sign up, you will get around 10 million um, daily tokens. And also you can check in and get 100 credits. Here you can see I got 30 million because it's a little old account, but recently they are giving away 10 million tokens per day, and you can use these models for your project. And now you can see there's project terminal and skills. You can add MCP. Always you can download the files and see what's going on in terminal. And now here we can see how many tokens is used for your task, and it will work on looping. You mean you can just give a goal here and it will start its work. Not like the prompting we used to do in other AI agents. Here we are using the looping model. We just give a prompt and it will work on looping. Now here you can see our task is ready. I just ask this to create a website for movie download, and they can get the thumbnail from uh, IDM or the movie database, and it gives me. Okay, so you can just download and extract your files, and it's simple. These files you can upload to your hosting, and if you want some change, you can just type there in MonekyCode. It will change it. And here you can also upgrade your update your API key from the here the movie database, and you will get this type of um, movie list, all the updates. And just later you can update the download link. So this way you can use the MonkeyCode to generate projects for you and get 10 million tokens per day free. Hope you like this, and we will give you much more videos from where you can get millions of tokens each day free. Subscribe for more. Thank you.